Welcome back to Vital Longevity. Let's talk about the power of creatine and how it goes way beyond muscle gains to longevity and brain health. From boosting brain power to protecting your DNA, this little supplement might just be the secret weapon in your health arsenal. Creatine. It's not just for athletes anymore. While most people associate it with muscle building, creatine is a naturally occurring compound that your body produces in the liver, kidneys, and your pancreas. You can also get it from meat and fish. But here's the kicker. Supplementing with creatine can offer a host of health benefits beyond what you might think. Let's get into it. First off, how much should you take? Some folks go for a loading phase, 20 grams a day for a week or two, then down to a maintenance dose of 2 to 5 grams. But be warned, too much too fast can lead to some urgent bathroom trips. To avoid this, spread your doses throughout the day and take it with food. Next up, creatine's health benefits. We all know creatine helps build muscle, but did you know it also activates satellite cells? These are the cells that help us grow new muscle fibers, which is especially helpful as we age. Plus, it aids in muscle recovery by speeding up the repair of those micro tears you get from a tough workout. Bone health. Creatine isn't just about muscles, it's great for your bones too. It helps in bone remodeling, making your bones stronger and more resilient. For anyone concerned about bone density as they age, creatine could be a game changer. Brain health. Here's where it gets really interesting. Creatine boosts cognitive function, especially in older adults. It increases energy production in brain cells, helping with memory, learning, and even protecting against neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. DNA protection. Protecting your DNA is crucial for longevity, and creatine is one of the few supplements that can actually help with this. Now, some people have heard a few common concerns about taking creatine. Worried about your kidneys? Don't be. Despite what you may have heard, there's no solid evidence that creatine harms your kidneys. In fact, it could even have some systemic benefits, but always check with your healthcare provider if you have any concerns. What about hair loss? There's some debate here, but the truth is, creatine doesn't cause hair loss in the general population. If you're already prone to androgenic hair loss, it might be worth discussing with your doctor, but for most people, it's not a concern. And cancer? There's no evidence that creatine causes cancer. In fact, it may even help those undergoing cancer treatment by preserving muscle mass. Again, talk to your doctor, but don't let unfounded fears keep you from the benefits of creatine. Skin health. Here's a bonus. Creatine might even be good for your skin. Some studies suggest it can help improve skin elasticity and hydration when used topically. Who knew that a muscle supplement could double as a beauty product? So, whether you're an athlete, someone looking to improve your cognitive function, or just interested in living a longer, healthier life, creatine might be the perfect addition to your daily routine. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your health and longevity. See you next time. Hit that subscribe button for more health hacks and longevity tips, and drop a comment below if there's a topic you'd like me to cover next.